The petrochemical industry, for example, it was unheard of to question them. In fact, the health department did not even have authority to investigate environmental health problems because of the powerful position of the major industry led by the petrochemical industry. When we had over 40 babies born along the border close to Brownsville, born without brains, I called the health department. I said, "Is it true that the pollution along the border, on the border with the maquiladoras or whatever is causing this?" The response was, "We don't know, and we're prevented from investigating." I said, "You got to be kidding! You're the State Department of Health." They said, "We have no authority." I said, "Well, what do we need to do?" So, "You need to give us the authority," which I did. I authored legislation, and I announced in advance that anybody that appeared in opposition, that I would single them out as being responsible for those babies being born without brains. And then we set up a birth defects registry. And you know what helped me pass the legislation was not so much what had happened, although that was important on the border. It was also happening in the Houston area. In the Houston area, where there were a number of babies that were born with birth defects. And people came to testify from the Houston area. And that raised some eyebrows. And so that helped in getting us a birth defects registry and in getting the funding to have that registry.